Hi everybody, Mustang Geek here. Join me and the folks from Kenny Brown Performance on Wednesday, June 17th at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, where we're going to talk about the IRS. No, not that IRS, that IRS. So if you have an IRS Cobra like this one, or are looking to put an IRS in your Foxbody or other SN95 Mustang, this is the workshop for you. If you have basic questions or really advanced nitty-gritty detail questions, which is our favorite, we're going to get into all of that in this workshop. Some of the topics that we're going to cover are wheel hop, how do I get rid of it? What is bump steer or roll steer? What kind of spring and damper rates should I be running? What are the advantages of an IRS over a stick axle? We're also going to address common mistakes that people make and how to address them. What products does Kenny Brown Performance offer that improve the IRS? In this workshop, the specialists at Kenny Brown who know the IRS in and out are going to help you answer your questions as well. Pull up a chair, bring your notebook, and join us on Wednesday, June 17th at 7 o'clock Eastern Time. Be sure to sign up on the Kenny Brown website. See you there. After this workshop, you're going to love the IRS.